A comfortable business environment starts with a reliable air conditioning system. Without proper cooling, high indoor temperatures can affect productivity, customer experience, and daily operations. That's why businesses in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional commercial AC installation. Our experienced team carefully assesses your building's size, layout, and cooling demands to recommend the right system. We install high-performance commercial cooling systems designed for efficiency, reliability, and long-term performance. Every installation is completed with precision to ensure balanced airflow and consistent temperatures throughout your building. Modern commercial AC systems help improve comfort while reducing energy costs and system strain. The result is a cooler, more productive space for your team and customers. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide dependable service, expert installation, and long-term cooling solutions. Keep your business comfortable with professional commercial AC installation. Why is professional commercial AC installation important? Professional installation ensures proper system sizing, energy efficiency, reliable operation, and compliance with building codes. Can commercial AC installation improve energy efficiency? Yes. Modern commercial AC systems are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower operating costs. Do commercial AC systems require ductwork? Many systems use ductwork, but ductless options are also available for certain commercial applications. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.